guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tadora, and this is Tadora's Corner, and this is my sister.
Hi, I'm Lara.
Wow, it's a very beautiful night.
Hey sister, what are we making?
Tonight, we're gonna make some whole grain pancakes, guys.
Ooh, that's so yummy.
I got all the ingredients ready. The measurements are down in the description below. Lara, give me the whole grain wheat flour.
Here, sister.
Now give me the white wheat flour.
Okay.
Get everything that. Oh. Now give me the baking powder.
Okay. Here.
Now, the baking powder, you need to pour everything in the bowl. Now give me the salt, the Himalayan salt. Put it in there. Now we're gonna mix our ingredients, our dried ingredients. Get it. Put it in here in the bowl.
Okay.
Now, Lara, give me the egg.
Now pour it in.
Okay. Now we're gonna mix it. Give me Lara water.
Okay. Here, sister.
Okay. You need to pour in like half. Ooh, that's enough. Now we're gonna mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Oh my goodness, what is not getting to form of the pancakes? Now we're going to pour a little bit more water. That's it. Let's start to mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix it. Now we're going to put the whole cup of water that is left in here. Let's get in again to mixing. Thank God, it's hard. Oh, it spilled. It smells good.
I think that's ready.
Now we're done with this mixing. Set this mixture for 30 minutes. Oil the pan and let it heat a little bit. Now it got heated. Now we're gonna put the pancake mix. It's dripping. More. We need to put a little bit more in the fruit like this because it's not enough. There we go. Now it baked. Now let's throw it. 3, 2, 1. Now it baked. Now let's throw it. Now the first one is done. Let's do the next one. Move a little bit. There we go. Now, I don't really have any resources, so I need to use a cup. And because I'm on vacation at Montenegro, so
Hey sister, can I throw the pancake?
sure. Here we go.
I will try my best. This is good luck. I hope I get it right.
Come on, you can do this. Oh,
Okay, I can do
you
it.
can do it again. Come on.
I'll try my best.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
That was good. Now it's ready. Now we're gonna do the next one. Careful. Okay.
Let's make another one now.
Yeah. Roll. Just a little bit more. That's it. Now we're gonna put the batter, the pancake mixture. I have chocolate cream and jam, and these are my pancakes. I'm gonna get one. Big sister, what you gonna put in your pancake?
I'm gonna get this.
Chocolate cream.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah. Okay. Just a little. You can put like more or a little. Very good. I put it into like this. It's like a taco. You can try it now, sister.
I give this a 10 out of 10.
Yeah. Thank you, sister. This is it for now, guys. Tomorrow's a new day. Like, share, and subscribe to this video. Bye.